Cardinals, how you doing? Mr. S here with some more back to school highlights for you. Say, normally we'd come out into your classrooms, as you know, with registration, and we've got other videos, information coming home, but the staff wanted to let you know who's teaching what next year. So they made some videos, and let me tell you, kids, you know the teachers. You can see a lot of their personalities in these. Now, first up is art, business, project-based learning, FACS, and math. So stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Jill Schneider, your 9 through 12 art teacher. And if you're coming in as a 9th grader, classes you should be looking at would be Art Basics and World Art. And after that, you can take any of my other classes. I offer Drawing and Painting, Yearbook, Graphic Design, Pottery, Advanced Pottery, Multimedia, Advanced Drawing and Painting, and if you're a senior and some of these don't fit into your schedule or you've taken them already, don't forget about your independent study class you could take. Can't wait to see you here in the art room.
Hey, this is Mr. Erickson, and I teach a bunch of different classes. Here they are. Economics, that's a required class, but it's a good class because you need to understand how the economy works so you don't suck at life as much. Then, resource management, also a required class. That's about college and career planning, and then personal finance. So, how to get a job and make money, and then how to take care of that money. Intro to computer apps, intro to business, accounting. These next three all in green here. Those are all my college and the schools classes, so you can get college credit when you take those. And if you take all three of them, you get a Bridges Career Academy, where you get a certificate and a gold cord around your neck for graduation. Computer science, that is for anybody, not just computer people, or if you think you're going to go into computer field, no. This is for anybody. It teaches you how the internet works, how computers work. There's computers in almost every single field these days, and this class will help you in any field, in anything you're going to go into, even like music. You know how much computers are used these days in music production? Yeah. Bonus, it's an AP class, which means advanced placement. So if you take the class, it's a year-long class, by the way. You take the class, and if you can pass the AP test at the end, you can get college credit for the class. And did I mention you get to create your own apps that you can actually put on your phone? What could be better than that? Videography, just a fun class. If you like to make videos, take that class. I can teach you how to make them better, shoot good video and edit good video. Then there's one more that's not up here, and that's my leadership class, Giant Leadership. It's mainly just for juniors and seniors and those who are a little more mature and ready for something more. Talk about what it means to be a good leader and to lead through influence and relationships rather than power and control. Great class. But all my classes are great, so come on, sign up.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Rippentrap. I will be teaching project-based learning again for a few of the core subjects. If you are a self-starter, a tinkerer, a creator, anything like that, project-based learning is for you, and I would love to help you learn in a different way. I also will be helping supervise online learning, so if that is an option for you, you can see me there too. And there's a possibility of me maybe doing an elective, so keep an eye out for that.
It's the neighbor kids.
everyone, Mrs. Hacker here. I teach 8th grade math, but I also teach the first math class of your high school career, which is intermediate algebra. Intermediate algebra is a lot about slope again. Yes, my favorite word in the whole wide world. And a word that goes with that is linear equations. We go over a little bit more with that, and then we start to get into not straight lines, but lines that start to curve. The most commonly known one is the quadratic function. We start kind of talking about that stuff, and I also do a huge statistics unit, which is awesome. We get to start figuring out how do we define the word normal in a statistics and math world kind of standpoint. Like, what's a normal growth pattern? What's a normal IQ? Things like that. Okay? So, I look forward to seeing you all in the fall. Register for that math class.
I'm Maren Elvegem, and I teach geometry and advanced algebra concepts. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with size and shape of things. In this class, we talk about lines, angles, and shapes. Yes, there are some proofs, but I promise they are not as bad as you think they are. In advanced algebra concepts, we take a conceptual look at equations, functions, polynomials, radical equations, quadratics, and such. You must have a teacher recommendation to register for this class.
Hey Cardinal fam, Mr. Simmons here. Boy, do I have some exciting math options for you for the 2020-2021 school year. First, there's advanced algebra, which explores topics like projectile motion, the spread of viruses such as COVID-19, the probability of contracting a virus, observable patterns in the spread of a virus that can help us make important decisions about our health and safety in the future. It can also help answer questions like, how big is infinity? Or why do imaginary numbers actually exist? And if that's not enough for you, we've got tons of college math. Enough to leave here with 17 college credits just in math, and you never have to leave the building. We've got college algebra and free calculus, which will help us understand even more about functions, trigonometry, and polynomials. And then we've got probability and statistics, which will explore how data is collected, analyzed, and then used to make very, very important decisions. And then we've got calculus, which allows us to look infinitely close at how things change over time. I know, you're speechless. That's kind of how I felt the first time I saw the Fibonacci sequence. But don't worry, I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Happy registering, and we'll see you next fall.